Hi, this is Stacy with WTI. Are you looking to add a pop of color to your desk? Or maybe you just want a really well-functioning desk pad? If so, then you will definitely want to go with this one from French Koko. This desk pad is bright and beautiful, and I also really love that it's so functional. I can use this as a desk pad as well as a mouse pad thanks to the fabric texture that is really responsive when I use my mouse. I also have a lot of issues where the bottom of my wrist gets irritated from either the desk surface or from plastic. So having this woven fabric is so comfortable on my wrist, and I've definitely seen an improvement. I also really like it because the bottom is completely non-skid. So this pad does not move around at all while you're working, whether it's moving around your computer or your mouse or anything else that you have on there. It's waterproof as well as spill proof, so you can put your cup on it and you don't have to worry about that condensation getting all over your desk. And it's also easy to wipe down should you have any spills or anything that you drop onto the desk pad. This is probably the best desk pad that I've ever used, and I really love it. I love being able to use it with my mouse, having no difficulties, and that is my point of view.